Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Snapchat can't log in due to network error. So there might be two problems, or let's say two factors that's affecting this. So one might be the network error that you are facing due to your network service provider. Another one is the server problem. So if you have the problem with your network, just go and check your network, fix it from here. So another one is the server error or the app itself. To fix it, what you can do is just go to your Snapchat or just go to Google Play Store and then check for the, let's say, updates. If there is an update, just update it from here. And then what you can do is just go to settings and then go to apps, then go to apps again, and then from there just go to Snapchat. Okay, it's taking some time, just have some patience. So once you're here, just go with Snapchat, and then from here just go to storage and clear the cache memory and also clear the data of the Snapchat, and then try to log in. Now you'll be logging without any issues. That's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.